Hi, I'm Scott McCarthy, the corporate chef for Inform Food Service Solutions, and today we're taking a quick look at the Rational iCombi Pro. Next, let's talk about the last section on the home screen of the iCooking suite, which is the cooking methods. We've already talked about the cooking modes up here, which are basically what I like to think of as anything that flies, anything that walks, anything that swims, eggs and desserts, side dishes, and breads. But down here, where we're talking about food items up here, we're actually talking about cooking methods down here. So I've got my finishing, pan frying, boiling, convection, or grilling. So by pushing the pan fry button up here, I can bring up any of my pan fried options with my food. So if I want to see what I can pan fry in chicken, and it will bring up my chicken pan fry. Or I can do that same thing in my meat, or I could do that same thing in fish, or I could do that same thing inside. So it's a way of defining my results or figuring out exactly how I want to cook my food and allowing the Rational to use its intelligent processes to help me with that.